Dupli-Color tire paint, 28-day update. How are y'all doing? I'm Landon with Aqualux Auto Detailing. We're gonna go over a 28-day update with the Dupli-Color. All right, so this is current without it being washed. I'm gonna bring y'all in really quick. I'm not gonna make this a long video because I got 2 other ones to do, but here you go. I finally got it to stop raining. I was like, please, please, please let it be dry today so I can give y'all a good lighting. All right, so we're at 28 days. This is dirty. I have not washed them yet. Got us some pH neutral soap, and we're gonna give these things a scrub really quick. I hope y'all are having a great week so far, and I don't know what I want to call this, but I got a new little device I finally picked up for a reasonable price. They are the excuse me while I put it on really quick, called the Autocraft microfiber wash glove. They're at Walmart and they are $4.79. You've probably seen this one before. Yes, I don't care. This is probably one of the fastest ways to not only get your rims but get your tires. So, and you can get behind there. I know it looks, there's probably a lot of weird things that could be going through your head when you see this, but I don't care. You don't have to get those awkward pulls or anything like that, and it just makes life easy even if you want to get the front of them. All right, so there's that. Plug it in again. You get some pH neutral soap and go around it. Here we go. And then I got some microfiber cloths we're gonna dry this off with. So take it off. $4.79, and then you got the reverse side also. So you get 2, 3, 4 of these, and you could be done really quick and get the fronts and the backs of all the tires. So here we go. We're gonna rinse these off. All right, there we go. And we'll get to the microfibers. All right, there's one. Make sure I get these nice and dry. One, and I picked these things up I think at Walmart for, shoot, I don't know, nothing almost. Pick them up for almost nothing. You get a big pack of them for like 20 or 30 or whatever. Love them for the interiors and all that stuff. So this is the Dupli-Color 28-day update, and I will dismount the camera here in a second and give y'all a close-up. So there you go. Dry the touch. Here, how about this? How about we do this? Clean hands. Still clean hands. 28 days, you're still looking awesome. I don't really see much of the product diminishing at all. All right, so here we go. There's a close-up, and we'll go around the tire. I don't mind taking my time. Let y'all get a nice view of it. 28 days, $7. Go ahead, beat me up. If you don't think this product's awesome, I'm sorry, but maybe it's not for everybody. But for $28, I mean, geez, even if this stuff lasted only, shoot, even if it lasted 2-3 weeks, $7, and it makes it easier to clean. So keep that in mind when you're looking at this. $7, normally readily available at O'Reilly's and AutoZone. Not gonna make any browning happen. There's no interference with the anti-ozonate. It lets the tire breathe. I mean, I don't know. There's a no sling in about 5 minutes once you put it on. I mean, it is awesome. So here, I'll even dry this up a little bit more while we're looking at it. So anyways, appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. Hope y'all enjoyed this 28-day, and we're just gonna keep it going. So pH neutral soap and done. So look at that, all looking sweet. So y'all have a great one. Catch you later.